Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hacker YouTube channel. So I create some videos about cool apps and software. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. It's quite ambitious aim. But anyways, in this video we're gonna go through EMMO. So this is a new trending app about how to record your daily mood, how to improve your productivity, how to just create to-do lists, but which are much more creative. So let's dive into the app. So let's go through this EMMO Mood Diary app, which recently is in the top charts in US App Store and it's going viral. So you can see it's a number 6 app in utilities category. It's kind of crazy. So, and the idea of this app is super simple, that you just record your daily expressions. There are these cool emoticons. That's why I think the app is called EMMO. And you just record how you feel every day. So you just tap on emoticon which reflects your mood today, and then you just do it every day, and then you just have like a calendar of emoticons where you something like that. The one downside of this app is that I think it's developed either in Japan or China, so it's not translated properly. So if you're from like English speaking country, some of the menus, some parts of the app are not in English still, and you can't translate them. So that's a bit of an issue. But there you have it. So you can just open the app here. And this is how it looks like. Ouch. So yeah, you have like May, you have previous months, and you can just tap on every day, either past or present, today date, and then just select what was your mood. And then you can see something like, okay, on Thursday I was happy because, and then you can just change the colors, obviously. You can just add some comments, you can edit. You can set time, you can add stickers, you can add checklists, you can add like photo, video, recording, any picture. So that's kind of cool. So it's not just like the mood taker, it's just basically, I don't know, like thank you notes app where you can just track every day what did you do, what were you grateful for, or just use it as a to-do list as well. Like if you completed some tasks you're happy about, you can just leave them in this app, and yeah, they will be synced here. So some kind of solution like that. So yeah, and then it's just added, and as you can see, I just added my mood on that day, and there it is. Now it's added. In the bottom right you have all these moods where all the other people just are posting different moods. Yeah, okay, maybe it's just different emoticons and stuff like that. So something like this. And yeah, then every day you can just add and edit your mood. If you want some more additional cool emoticons, you can always like just purchase them. Just tap buy, and then it's like $1.099. So that's kind of cool. So something like that. Then you have all the calendar. You can go to the calendar view, you can go to their Instagram, and that's basically it. You can share or delete your mood. So if you want to share, this is how your picture will look like, and then you can just share it on any messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you are using. So that's just the idea of the app. So I think it's kind of super cool. Yeah, then there is menu in the bottom left. You can create your account with either email and password, or if you're on iOS with Apple ID, then you can also set password. You can also set all this like settings. You can export the diary. You can contact support. So here is basically the support. Hello, EMMO at 163.com. You can encourage suggestions. I don't know what is the, okay, so there is also the chart, and you will see the mood score this month, and bar chart of emotions, mood proportion diagram, and all of that. Then you can also share that, and then you can also of course change the styling of your app. So that's kind of cool. You can change the font, but I just can't find where you can change it so the app can be translated to English. I think it should be released soon, because it doesn't make sense that this app is in the top charts on US App Store and it still doesn't have US translation for some features. And then in top right there is also like permanent member of EMMO, and they have this discount, so you can become a lifetime member for $199. You can support multiple image inserts, unlock all stickers, all themes, all fonts. You can change the position of the image. So basically all the styling, all this stuff. And then if you just tap, that I think is just one-time payment, so it's not even like a monthly recurring payment. So I think it's a super cheap price. So if you enjoy this app, definitely give it a try. Probably just like $2, whatever. In top right, you can just tap restore and restore your previous purchases. Then when you create the account, you have your ID, you have your profile picture, which you can just upload, and your profile picture is moving in this like funny way here. So that's also fun. And then you can all sync with that with your iCloud. Not sure exactly how that works, but there you have it. Then you have also notice password. That's that. Let's go to their Instagram. Oh, wait. So okay, so the photos are co-edited in your diary will be displayed there. So that's also a cool feature. So there you have it, something like that, guys. So that's the app. Definitely give it a try. Thank you for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed this quick preview of the EMMO app. Go get it, super cool app to try it out. Also, again, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. Visit my website, mrhack.io. You can also sign up for a newsletter there and check out my podcast. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos.